Namaste, dear students. Good morning. This is the part 9. We are in a three-dimensional geometry. Very important concept in the previous video. I thought we discussed about that important topic. That is the shortest distance between two skew lines. Okay, now. Its proof is also needed. Proof also asked in the exams, and some related problems are also asked. So it is an important concept. Okay, na? That is the shortest distance between two skew lines. Those lines will be given in the vector equation or otherwise in the Cartesian type. In the vector equation, yesterday I taught that one in the previous video. That is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. R bar is equal to C bar plus mu D bar. That is passing through point A, whose position vector A bar, and parallel to vector B bar. And the second line is passing through the point C, whose position vector is C bar, and parallel to the vector D bar. Then the shortest distance is C bar minus A bar. AC bar, that is. Dot of B bar cross D bar by modulus of B bar cross D bar, again with the modulus. Total in the modulus. That is when the lines are asked are given in the vector equation, then this formula is related. Now, the same concept when the lines are given in the equation Cartesian form. Please observe me that here x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. This is the Cartesian form of the first line, vector equation of a line. It is a bar plus lambda b bar, where a bar is x1, y1, z1 coordinates. Try to understand. There also clearly I told you. x1, y1, z1 is the coordinates of point A. Then x1 I cap plus x2 y j cap plus z1 k cap. x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap is the vector A bar. Don't confuse. A bar is a point capital A whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1. Here C bar is x2, y2, z2. Okay, na? A1i plus B1j plus C1k is B bar. Okay, na? A2j, A2i plus B2j plus C2k is D bar. Okay, na? Now, this is vector equation and it is a Cartesian form. If the lines are given in the Cartesian form, you see very simply, we know that C bar minus A bar, that means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Is it okay now? Simply, a1, b1, c1, a1, b1, c1. Next, a2, b2, c2. Okay, this is 3 by 3 determinant. C minus a, that means C means x2, y2, z2. Minus a means x1, y1, z1. So x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. This one. A dot of b cross d. This is b bar, this is d bar. You see, very simple. A1, b1, c1. A2, b2, c2. That is a determinant, 3 by 3 determinant. By root of b bar cross d bar, in the vectors we discussed this one. It is very clearly is there. B bar cross d bar with these components, if you work it B bar cross d bar, you find out. Then its magnitude is simply this one. It will come. Try to understand. B bar cross d bar is in the proof also very clearly I have given here. You observe. How obtained this SD is shortest distance when the lines are in the Cartesian form. This is the Cartesian form of the two lines. Then this is the formula. Yes. How? What is the proof means here clearly I am given. Given lines are the same. x1 minus x1, y minus y1 by v1, z minus z1 by c1. and x2 minus x2, this is a second line. Okay, na? Already I told you there. This is the line Cartesian. Then it's a related vector equation. This one, x1 y1 z1, x1i plus y1j plus z1k, is it not it? Plus lambda of a1i plus b1j plus c1k. Is it okay now? Okay, na? Yeah. Next, this one. This is the second. First one, second one. Second one is r bar is equal to x2, y2, z2. Okay, na? Next, mu of this one a2, b2, c2. Okay, na? These are the two lines. C bar minus a bar means this is the point x1, y1, z1. This is x2, y2, z2. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay, na? B bar plus D bar is nothing but I, J, K, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. It is everything concept is the vectors. Okay, na? This is C minus A bar is a vector. B bar plus D bar is again a vector. Dot product is there. C minus A bar dot of B bar plus D bar. If you find this vector dot of this vector, it is also a vector. B bar plus D bar is a new vector, vector product. This difference of two vectors is again a vector. C bar minus A bar dot of B bar plus D bar. If you multiply these two dot product, then we get this determinant. Everything is given in the vectors concept. Again, it is not possible to explain those dot product, cross product, and everything. It's already over. Okay? You verify that one and you get it. This proof is not needed. In the previous video, what is the proof of this one? That is needed. These are all not needed. This is only you remember this one, you record in your mind. This is the formula when lines are given in the Cartesian form. This is the formula when the vector equation is given to the two lines. Only this one is. Okay, na? It is the process. Is it okay, na? If you multiply, if you dot product, make the dot product C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar. That means this vector dot of this vector. Then we get this one. Again, modulus of B bar cross D bar means we get this one. Okay, na? Is it? Or simply you follow it. You apply how to apply the formula. That is the important. The proof is only this one. In the previous video is there in the 8th part clearly I gave that one. That is needed. That one and these two formulas is enough. These two formulas how to apply in the problems. That is the important. Now I will explain it. Okay, na? Just first. Again, one example. 476 page, example 11 is important. I already asked in the exam. We are given solution. We are given two lines. One is r bar is equal to, it is I plus j na plus lambda of 2i minus j plus k na, and r bar is equal to 2i plus j minus k na plus mu of 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Okay, na? These are the two lines. Here, observe me. Observe me. This is a bar plus lambda b bar. C bar plus mu d bar. So what is A bar? A bar is I plus here. A bar is I plus j. C bar is 2i plus j minus k. A bar, this is C bar. And B bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k. D bar is equal to 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Now we find C bar minus A bar. That is C minus A. 2i minus I. J minus J, 0. Minus k minus 0. That is minus k. That is I minus k is there. Okay, now C bar minus A bar. Again, B bar cross D bar. You remember it? You recall that concept. B bar cross D bar is a cross product of two vectors. That is determined ijk. That is 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 5, 2. That is I of minus 2 minus of minus 5. Minus 2 plus 5. Minus j of the 4 minus 3. Plus k of minus 10 plus 3. Okay, now minus 10 plus 3. First one is 4 minus. First one is minus 2. Minus 7 minus plus 5. Next is 4 minus 3. Next is minus 10 minus 7 minus plus 3. So here we get it is 3i minus j. It is minus 7k. Okay, now observe you see that? Observe me. We need C bar minus A bar dot of B cross D bar. That is there in the SD. C bar minus A bar is, you know it. It is I minus k. Okay, na? B bar cross D bar is already is there. That is 3i minus j minus 7k. Dot product is I dot I, that is 1 into 3. J is not there, so it is 0. This is minus 1 into minus 7. Be careful with the arithmetic. I dot I, 1 into 3. J is not there. Minus k minus 7k. That is k dot k is there only. Minus 1 minus 7. So this is 10. Okay, that is 10. Again, what is D bar cross D bar with modulus? That is mod of 3i minus j minus 7k. That is root of 3 square plus minus 1 square minus 7 square. That is 9 plus 1 plus 49. That is root 59. Now, the shortest distance is C minus A dot of B cross D by modulus of B bar cross D bar. Already it is over. We completed here. Is 10 by. Already it is also denominator modulus of D bar cross D bar. Just now we complete. So root 59. So it is 10 by root 59 units. Okay, that is the shortest distance. Okay, you see, whenever we are asked, whenever we are given the lines in the vector equations, that is, you separate A bar, what is a C bar and a B bar and D bar. The first one, A bar plus lambda, B bar. So B bar is this one, A bar is that one. Second line is also C bar plus mu D bar. It is C bar D bar. First you find C bar minus A bar. It is C bar minus A. Then find B bar cross D bar. B bar cross D bar. This one. Okay, done? Then modulus of B bar cross D bar. Next, this one is C bar minus A bar, we know the vector. B bar cross D bar is also by using the determinant, we know the vector. By dot product, we get a sum number. using this formula, C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar. Okay, with modulus by modulus of B bar cross D bar, then we get the answer. This is the very good concept. Important questions, no doubt it will be asked. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay. One example is over by using that formula SD, shortest distance. Now, this is the exercise problem, not started with 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like 14, 15, 16, 17 are the important problems, essay questions related with that SD. SD means shortest distance. You see 14 and 16 are both one concept, that is the lines are given in the vectors, whereas 15 is related with the Cartesian form. Okay, na? Yeah. Now this is 14th one. Given lines are, what are the given lines? R bar is equal to I plus 2j plus k plus lambda of I minus j plus k, and R bar is equal to I plus y 2i minus j minus k plus mu of 2i plus j plus 2k. Okay, na? Here, what is A bar? I plus 2j plus k. And B bar, I will write C bar. C bar is 2i minus j minus k. B bar is equal to I minus j plus k, and D bar is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k. Okay, na? What are hidden in the given vector equation of lines? That is A bar and this is C bar. And that is B bar, the next one is D bar. Okay, na? First we have to mention it is. Now, C bar minus A bar is needed. C bar minus A bar means 2i minus j, please understand. 2i minus I, that is I, minus j minus 2i minus 3j minus k minus 2k. Try to understand it, sir. C bar minus A bar, C minus A, 2i minus I minus j minus 2j minus 3j minus k minus 2k. Again, B bar cross D bar, that is a determinant I, j, k. I quotient 1 minus 1, k quotient 1. Here it is 2, 1, 2. So it is I of row and columns denoted minus 2 minus 1. Minus j of, it is 2 minus 2. Plus k of 1 plus 2. This is minus 3i plus 3k. J will not be formed. It is 2 minus 2, so it cancels. So minus 3i plus 3k is there. That is B bar cross D bar. Then mod of B bar cross D bar. Modulus. Here only. This is B bar cross D bar, yeah. Modulus of means it is minus 3 square. It is 3 square that is root 18. That is 3 root 2. Will you agree? 9 plus 9 root 18. Root 18 means 9 into 2. 3 root 2. Now SD. SD is a determinant. C bar minus A bar. Dot of, or otherwise first we find C bar dot. C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross B bar, we will find it. C bar minus A bar is nothing but I minus 3j minus 2k dot of B bar cross B bar is nothing but minus 3i plus 3k. I dot I 1 into minus 3. I dot I means I dot I is 1. Its coefficient 1 into minus 3. J is not there. Plus minus 2 into 3. Minus 2k dot k, 3k. That is the thing. So it is a minus 3. It is a minus 6. Minus 3, minus 6. So it is a minus 9. Okay, then? Next. SD. What is SD? We know it. C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar by modulus of B bar cross D bar with modulus again. Observe. It is already there. Now here is there. This C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar is there already. We solved it. So it is a minus 9 by this one. It is there. This is 3 root 2. That is 3 by root 2. 3 3s by root 2. Modulus of minus is plus. So this is the answer. Okay, now you observe it. Very clearly it is given. From the vector equation of lines, we have to separate A bar, C bar, B bar, D bar. First you find C bar minus A bar. It is a vector. And then B bar cross D bar by using the determinant, using the concept of cross product. Then we get B bar cross D bar is a vector. And find its magnitude by using this one SD. In that one, C bar minus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar also we have to find this vector dot this vector. We get one number SD. That by using that formula we get the answer. Is it clear? Yeah.